Hey everybody, just want to let you know that we've got a wonderful, wonderful dog here that has been at our shelter since October 2010. Shadow is a 2.5-year-old shepherd mix. She possibly has elk-hound in her. She came in with severe, basically her skin had issues. She was possibly hit by a car. So her whole neck and chest was not looking too good. She spent about 3-4 weeks in the back, healing, recuperating. She finally got all better. She went on the floor, and guess who ended up being pregnant? So she had several puppies. She spent 8 weeks weaning them here. And all the puppies are gone. They got out. Now they're coming back for alteration, and Mom still needs a home. So she is very, very food driven. She walks very, very well on a leash. She's shy with new people. So all of the commands that she's been learning, she's gotten here. She was probably not taken care of well, and she is good probably with older children, somebody who's ready to have a dog that they can be very active with. She likes toys, and she will probably counter surf. So got to keep the food away unless you're training. But with the elk-hound, she's ready to go into a home because she really, really deserves it. She was recently spayed. She's had multiple sets of vaccinations. She is heartworm negative, 2.5 years. She's going to be this size, and she's a good cuddle bug. So she healed up nicely, ready for her home, ready to get out. Hey guys, got another one for you. This is Magro. He is about a 1.5-year-old shepherd mix, and he has been here for about a month and a half, 2 months. Magro actually means thin in Italian, and he was an emaciation case. He is actually about 10 to 15 pounds heavier than what he was when he came in. He could barely even stand. He is very, very food motivated, but he is not food aggressive. He takes treats very gently. He just will do anything for food. Magro has no basic commands, so he is learning all of his basic commands here. He likes to go out and run. I know he does like toys, preferably squeaky. Sit. Sit. And he would do best with older kids in an active home. He does like to be around people. He needs to be around people. What's that? What's that? Magro likes to hug, so he is very, very loyal. He does need to put on more weight, so you are going to have to beefing him up a little bit more, but he's going to be about this size. Let's say about 5 pounds is better, and he could do best with older children ready because he's going to jump. He walks well on the leash, but he needs probably a nice big backyard where you can go outside and throw the ball, and you tire him out, and he doesn't tire you. So he is a great boy. He's ready for a home, and he needs it because he didn't come from a good one.